crazy. Wow. Oh my God, you guys. Look at this baby bird. I was wondering what that noise was. This is a baby bird. I'm gonna start an investigation. I was wondering what this noise was. This bird is nurturing his babies. Wow. I'm like a journalist now, you guys. This is my first video. Bear with me. I'm like a Stephen King, you know. We're gonna life of the journey, life and journey of a mother blue jay. Or is that a vulture? Or a penguin? Is that, no, it's not a penguin. What kind of bird is it? Somebody tell me. I will be back. But look at this. This is cool, you guys. This is my first video of it. It's feeding his babies. Why does it keep wagging his tail at me? Is it twerking? This is amazing. Oh my God. Look at it. Oh, this is cool. This is cool, you guys. The first video. That is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna stop now.